Are you tired of outdated mobile barcode scanners that slow down your inventory management or retail checkouts? Well, we're about to revolutionize the way you scan barcodes with a Zebra TC53 mobile barcode scanner featuring a 6-inch touchscreen, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and a 1D/2D scanner. In today's fast-paced retail and warehouse environments, having the right mobile barcode scanner can be the difference between success and failure. The market is flooded with mediocre products that fail to deliver when it matters most, leaving a gap in the industry for a reliable, efficient, and feature-packed solution. The Zebra TC53 is exactly that solution. From high-end retailers to small warehouses, this mobile computer is designed to tackle even the toughest inventory management tasks with ease. Now that we've established the importance of this product, let's dive into the first impressions of the Zebra TC53. The moment you take the Zebra TC53 out of the box, you're struck by its premium build quality and sleek design. The 6-inch Full HD Plus touchscreen is a joy to behold, offering crystal-clear visuals and an incredibly responsive interface. The device itself feels solid in your hand, built with durable materials that can withstand even the most demanding environments. But it's not just about looks. The TC53 is designed with usability in mind. The intuitive interface and ergonomic design make it simple to navigate, even for those who are new to barcode scanning or mobile computing. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a newcomer to the field, the Zebra TC53 makes it easy to get up and running quickly. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive deeper into the standout features of the Zebra TC53. One of the most significant advantages of this mobile computer is its 1D/2D scanner, designed to capture barcodes an impressive range of 3 inches to 40 feet. That means you can scan items quickly and accurately, even from a distance, reducing the risk of errors and manual input. The SE4720 scanner itself is a high-quality OEM component that's built to last, offering fast and reliable scanning that's perfect for high-speed inventory management or fast-paced retail checkouts. But the TC53 is more than just a scanner. It's also a powerful mobile computer that connects via Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. That means you can enjoy lightning-fast data transfer speeds and reliable connectivity, even in areas with heavy network traffic. In addition to its impressive connectivity options, the TC53 also features a front and rear camera, perfect for capturing data-rich images or scanning barcodes in low-light environments. In the real world, how does the Zebra TC53 perform? We put it through its paces in a variety of scenarios, including inventory management, retail checkouts, and barcode scanning. In our inventory management scenario, the TC53 proved itself to be a powerhouse, effortlessly scanning a large batch of inventory items at speed. The 1D/2D scanner proved to be incredibly accurate, reducing errors significantly and freeing up staff to focus on higher-value tasks. In our retail checkout scenario, the TC53 was a breeze to use, scanning items quickly and easily with minimal manual input required. The large 6-inch touchscreen made it simple to navigate, even for customers who are new to mobile payment systems. One of the only trade-offs we noticed was the device's relatively short battery life, requiring a recharge after a few hours of continuous use. However, this is mitigated by the fast charge feature, which can top up the battery in just a few minutes. So what are the pros and cons of the Zebra TC53? Let's weigh the advantages and disadvantages and see where it stands against competing options. Pros: high-quality 1D/2D scanner for accurate and fast scanning, powerful and efficient Wi-Fi 6 connectivity for lightning-fast data transfer speeds, long-lasting and durable design, perfect for demanding environments, advanced camera capabilities for capturing data-rich images, ergonomic design, and intuitive interface for improved usability. Cons: relatively short battery life, requiring frequent recharges, limited availability in certain regions or countries. Some users may find a large touchscreen overkill for some tasks. Compared to competing options, the Zebra TC53 stands out for its premium build quality, advanced scanning capabilities, and lightning-fast connectivity speeds. While other products may offer some of these features, few can match the TC53's level of performance and reliability. In conclusion, the Zebra TC53 mobile barcode scanner is a game-changing solution for inventory management, retail checkouts, and barcode scanning applications. With its powerful scanning capabilities, lightning-fast connectivity, and intuitive interface, this mobile computer is perfect for high-speed inventory management or fast-paced retail checkouts. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient solution for your barcode scanning needs, the Zebra TC53 is the perfect choice. Order now and experience the difference for yourself.